Hi everyone. Do you know there is something that you can use that it will make a fantastic difference in your work? It's called Office 365. Office 365 is a cloud-based platform from Microsoft. What is cloud? What is cloud? Cloud doesn't mean something very beautiful. No. It's something a little bit ugly. Cloud means that you can store your data, your Word, Excel, PowerPoint, whatever, not in your desktop, not in the server of your company, but in the Microsoft house, in the huge database from Microsoft. When we say that, when we say that, we say a lot of things. We say that you don't need your computer, the computer of your company, to work. You can use a smartphone, a professional smartphone, but also your own smartphone, and maybe if you want, your own computer from home. And also you can use the computer of a friend, of someone in the street. You need to send an email. You have nothing. You don't have phone. You need someone. Give me your phone. You write an email with from your company with this phone. Okay, with security. Don't worry about. So, what you can do with Office 365? Office 365 gives you a panel of many software that you can use with Microsoft. Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook. You may know about these tools, but you maybe don't know about OneDrive, OneNote, Yammer, Planner, SharePoint, Teams. You maybe don't know about that, but they offer you the chance to use these tools. This, we can say, collaborative tools, and it is very powerful. I will speak about that just after. Where you can use it. Okay, Office 365, Word, Excel, PowerPoint. What is the link between that? I know that even before internet, I could use Word, Excel, PowerPoint. So I have to use internet to store my Word, Excel, PowerPoint into the Microsoft house. Okay. So the first thing is to connect on Office 365 on internet. So you can use your Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook, SharePoint, Yammer on internet, on your browser, on Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Firefox, even Safari, Brave, everything you want. So you connect on office.com. You put your email address from your company, and then you have the panel of products. Okay. But some people always ask me something. They tell me, so I need to go to internet to use my Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and my email? I don't want. I like to use it on my computer. That's a good question. That's a very good question. Because now you have two choices. The choice to go to internet, to your browser, to connect on office.com, and to write an email with Outlook on your browser. You can also do some presentation with PowerPoint. You can create slide on your browser, on your Google Chrome. Okay, but you also can use it on your desktop. So if I use my PowerPoint on my desktop, is my PowerPoint is saved on my desktop or in Microsoft House? That's a good question too. If you open your PowerPoint in your desktop, in SICK client, you save it. You have two choices. You can choose to save it on your desktop or on OneDrive. OneDrive is like my document, my explorator of document. Okay, on your desktop, but it is linked to Microsoft House, to the cloud. So if you store to this file called OneDrive, it is not stored in your computer. So it gives you free space if you always store it on your OneDrive, okay? And your computer will never be slow as before, because you know, when you don't have spaces on your desktop, your computer is will be slower. Okay, so you can use your PowerPoint on your desktop, and the data, so this PowerPoint, can be saved on the cloud of Microsoft Office 365. Okay. Also, there is something very important. This is utilization. You can also share document, like a Word document, saved into your OneDrive to someone else without sending an email. And that's good. That's new. And if you share it, you can give some rules. Some people who got this document by sharing can read this document, or also can modify this document, and then there is something very nice. It's called co-edition. So you can write in the same time, in real time, with 1, 2, 3 people who've got this document shared. So, okay, in the same time, you can write. If you have a presentation to do on PowerPoint, someone can make the first part. So another guy can do the second part. Another one can make the conclusion. Another one can do the introduction. In the same time, you don't have to send an email to say, okay, this is the first version, do your version. It gives you the version 2, version 3, version 4, version final, version final 2, final 3, final 4. No. So it is not necessary to use your browser to use these tools, but there is some software as SharePoint, as Yammer, as Planner. Maybe you need to use your browser. Okay, and if you use your browser, sometimes it's better for what? For the co-edition, because in a thin client, it's thin, it is light. It is quicker to make the co-edition. So now let's make a presentation of that. So here we are. We are on Google. What's happening? We can use Google. This is not a Microsoft tool, but it works. And we also are on Google Chrome. Okay. So Microsoft is very open. And I want to go to Office 365. So I can write Office 365 on Google. But if I know the URL, I can click here and put office.com. That's all. We click enter, and we click now on connection. And here I put my email address. So this is a test email address, schwartz00 on microsoft.com. I click next, I put my password, and here I say, yeah, I want to stay here. Yeah, of course I want to stay here. I'm here for that. So now we are on Office 365. It looks like that. Okay, very white, but there is a marvelous icon. Outlook, OneDrive, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, you know that. This is a lot of applications that you can use on Office 365. Okay, here your latest modification. Okay, so before I just create a Word document, an Excel document, another in April 28 document, Word document here, the recent document, the pin document. I don't think I have the share document with me, so I don't think I have to. I don't have, and Discover. So this is a document by pertinence. Okay. So if I have access to a document that it can be useful for me, check out documents that others are working on. Okay. So if I need a presentation of Office 365 and someone in the company made it, I can and put it in public, so I can see that. Okay. Okay, that's all. So let's check the first ribbon. For me, this is very important. This button, it's called Waffle. Waffle, when I click here, I can see all my application, okay? And I can see my 80% of the main page of Office 365, okay? And I can see this button everywhere, okay? So if I go to Outlook, I will see my Waffle. So I don't need to go to Office 365 homepage, okay? I don't need, but I come back for the presentation. Okay, here I can search something. So I know that I have some tests. Okay, so I can click here. I write test. Okay, so I made some document test. I create also a website with SharePoint called test. Okay, an article. This is a website also. This is an article of on SharePoint, also SharePoint. There is a lot of things on SharePoint. Yeah. Okay. If there are people who call test, no. File test. Okay. My Word and Excel website. So I just see that there is a SharePoint website. And news. Is there any news test? No, I don't have. Okay. So I click here. I can go back. If I want to go back, I click here. Okay. That's all. And here I have my notification, okay, my alert. Okay, so if I have a someone who I am working if I'm working on the tools with someone else, I can see if there is a notification. Okay, if there is an update. This is the gear, so I can change my theme. Okay, this is very white, so I will put that. I like it, but I like I like when it's white. Yeah, because I want to see that. But I think I know that there is animated also background. I don't have it. Okay, well you have yes. Okay, little bit animation. Okay, so we can put that. And here you have your account. Okay, but that's all. I don't want to go there. I will check with you the application. This is the most important. This is where you will go. Okay. So let's check the applications that you know. So Word, Excel, PowerPoint. Okay. We're gonna open at first Outlook. Okay. So Outlook looks like my output, Outlook on my desktop. Okay. I will not open desktop version of application. I will not open a thick, heavy client application, okay? Because this is not my computer. As you can see, it takes the color of my background, okay? So, if you want, we can click on this color, this theme, and we can see that now it's blue. If I click on this one, okay, it's purple. Okay, this one. Okay, this one. I want to put this one. Okay, good. Okay, brief. Okay, so this is Outlook. Outlook. You can share. You can send email, as you maybe know, and you can check the calendar. Okay, calendar is also another application. And we can see that there is. I had an appointment here, so with many people on Teams, okay, and yes, of course, many applications are link each other, okay. So you don't need to go to the main page of Office 365. Remember it. Here it's people, it's another application also. We can see your contact, and here, okay, you can see your contact. Let's check. Let's load. And here you have task to do. Okay, so I can add a new task. Voilà, new task. Okay, it's over. I think it's good for Outlook. Okay, this is a brief overview. I don't want to spend a lot of time on the old tool. So now I want to go to the other one, old tool. So I go to Outlook. I check my Word. Okay. I go to the waffle. Okay. I am on the waffle. I'm now on Word, as you can see. Okay. I will stop the time because oh damn it! I will go back to Office 365 because I want the coloration, the color of each application. Okay, I don't want you to be lost. So Office will be good. And now I go to Word. So Word, okay. I can click on this one, new blank document, and I will say this is a test. Okay, it's now saving. Okay, it's now saving, so we have to wait. So we have to wait a little bit. It is saved now, and I also can change the name of the document. So new test May. Okay. And now I want to know where are this document. This is not on my PC, on my computer, on my desktop. No, it is on OneDrive. So every document are stored on OneDrive, and OneDrive has also his own application called OneDrive. I click on OneDrive. Okay, and here, so it was a new test May. Yeah. Okay, so here is my new test May. Okay, so I have a lot of documents. I have a lot of documents with some column metadata, with the icon, with the name of the document, when it is modified by who, and the size of the document, the number of items if you put a file, and if it is shared or not. So private, or this document is shared. Okay, so if it's shared, and if people who've got this document shared, you can use the co-edition. Okay. Oh, sorry. If the people who've got this document shared and have the good rules, so they can modify it, you can modify this document, marvelous tests, each other. Okay, and you will see the update in real time. And but you can also put share with simple rules like just read, and people can only read it. You by this functionality, you don't need to send this document by email, and you don't need to don't need to put a lot of versions as marvelous tests v1, v2, v3, v4, v-final 1, v-final 2. You know what I'm talking about. Okay, so if I want to make a new document, so I can also with OneDrive, because OneDrive is connected with a lot of tools. If I want to create an Excel, I can click on New and click on Excel workbook. So now we can see how Excel it is. So no change. Okay, with user Excel that you know. And I can write. I will write this word. I think is a beautiful word, and it's called book. So now I want to. Okay, new name, new word. I think it's Polish name. So what's happening? Polish name, yeah. So I think it's a word in Poland. Okay, so now I go back to my OneDrive. Okay, just here, and here I can see my new document. Okay, when it was created a few seconds ago. Okay, so if I want to share, I can click on this button. I can click also on this button, and I click on share. Okay, if I want to give to give the link of this document, I can copy it by clicking on this button. Okay, it's copy. If I want to share, if I want to give a good share on Outlook, okay, I send an email. Okay, this is not good. Huh? I don't want you to send an email. I prefer you to share, to give a simple share. But if you want, now these people just want they read this document, so you click on the free button and you click on manage access, and here be careful. So direct access, no, you want to give only can view. Okay, so they cannot edit, they can only view this document. Okay, this is a brief introduction of OneDrive. Okay, we are not speaking of OneDrive, we are speaking of Office 365, but Office 365 is a complex of a lot of application. So I will pass PowerPoint because I think you will sleep. You also can download the document. You also can open the document on your browser or in app. Okay, so if I want, I can open it on Microsoft Office. Okay, my Microsoft Word on my computer, so it will work. Okay, but this is not my computer. Okay, so this is not my computer, so I will not open it. Okay. Okay, you can do it. Okay, everyone, you can do it if you want. Okay, and if you want, you can also automate. You can create some automation. Okay, so some workflow to say that if you create a document, for example, you create a document, it will give some notifications. So someone without sharing, it shares automatically. How to do that? How to do that? We start now. We start now with Power Automate. Okay. Power Automate is a very powerful tool to create some workflow. Okay, so how to start? Okay, just a little bit. You start only with model, with template. Okay, you click on this one, and you have a lot of workflow already created. You just have to put the good email address, your good account, and that's all. If I want to get if I want, okay, you know what? If I want something with OneDrive, I click here, OneDrive, and they give me every template with OneDrive. So here, save the attached file that I've got on my Outlook to OneDrive. Okay, so how it looks. Okay, also, just a second, you can put other connection from outside Microsoft. Okay, so I think I am not connected, so I will see another one, or a simple one. Okay, give me notification every 10 minutes. I will see notification. Okay, so create a flow. I will create a flow. I want to see how it is, so I click on modify, and this is a flow. So when okay, well, it says that I can create manually a flow. The delay every 10 minutes. Okay, every 10 minutes I've got a notification about reminder. I need to buy food. I don't know. Okay, I want to show you the connector. Okay, and after I will finish about this one, because it will be okay. So you have some tools from Microsoft, so SharePoint, Office 365, okay, OneDrive, and also Twitter. It's not from Microsoft. Dropbox, okay. So you can connect a lot of things, and you will be surprised. You have also Facebook, Slack, and I think I have some Google thing. Some Google Drive thing. So yes, you can synchronize your new file from OneDrive to your Google Drive. This is amazing. Gmail, OneDrive, no Microsoft. Good. Okay, let's continue with a very good tool, Teams. Okay. Teams is it's a chat like Skype, but you can see your OneDrive and you can create some teams. Okay, yes, web version. So okay, so I have a lot of things here. I'm on my browser, so I can create team. Okay, so I click here, create a team from scratch, create a team from another team or a 365 group. Okay, create a team. I will create. No, I don't want to. I want to create from scratch. Sorry. So I want to create a team from scratch. Okay. Yeah, sorry. From scratch. Okay. So private here. I don't know. Google Meet. Create. And here I really can share this share to someone else. So I think I have someone. Yeah, veg, vegan. You know. Okay. Add. Okay. Close. I create a team. Google Meet. And here you can see the file that we have each other. Okay. This is a SharePoint library, so it is connected to the SharePoint library, and you can see the file. Okay, this is not OneDrive. OneDrive is where is OneDrive? File. So here I can see my OneDrive. Okay, I can have a conversation with a lot of people if I want. I can give a call. Okay, I can I think I can do something. Yeah, I don't want to lose time. But you also change your background. This is a must-have to your company. I think when you open your computer, you need to have your Outlook because of your email, but you need to have these Teams because you need you need notification about what everyone do on your teams, on your project. Okay. I will finish by with this sample of tools. Okay, there is also SharePoint to create website. Yammer, it's like it is a social network as Facebook, where you can do anything you want from Facebook to Yammer. You can create topics, you can create quiz, poll, you even technical support. You can do that. You can share anything. So. It was a brief overview to how to use with your own hands Office 365, and if you have any question, do not hesitate to ask me now or to write me an email if you are watching the video. Thank you. Bye.